Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to set up shipping on Shopify. So getting your shipping settings right is crucial for smooth orders and happy customers. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, if you type admin.shopify.com, you will be landed here on the admin dashboard of your Shopify account. Over here, simply click on the option of settings in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Then among the given options, select the option of shipping and delivery. Over here, you are going to see the option of shipping, and here in shippings, you will see general shipping rates, whether it is domestic or international. So if you click here on this option, you need to provide the location of your warehouse and your business. This is where all of your packages will ship from. After that, in your shipping profile, you can simply select the option of manage rates, and then you can add shipping zones, whether it is domestic, international, or specific countries where you deliver. After that, inside each zone, you need to add the shipping rates. So here, if you click on the option of add rates, you can select the rate type. After that, you can select the shipping rate here, whether you want to make it custom. Then you need to give your custom rate name, then select the custom delivery description. After that, you need to give it the pricing and click on the option of done in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you can select the flat rate, like I have selected $5 for shipping fees. You can make it free shipping to encourage more orders, or you can also select the carrier calculated, which is the real-time rates from the couriers like UPS, FDX, or DHL. So in the packages, you can also set the default box sizes and the weights. So this helps the carriers calculate the accurate rates. You can also try doing a test order to make sure that your shipping order show the correctly at the checkout. So you can definitely do that. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.